Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're showing you today, this is by Vorti-Siv. It's a rotary scraping sifting chamber, which this is the outer chamber, which covers the open filter you see right there, a 4-inch inlet outlet, which are tri-clamp connected, of course. Controls are operating off 120 volt single phase. And if you know about these, they will operate usually on impulse. They have a valve at the bottom which dumps the material as it's collected based on the differential pressure you see. That's why there's two gauges. We're running off the timing control, so they're running about 15-30 seconds or so. We didn't actually time it. You see that ran the valve, which was most likely operated by this valve controller down here, which is then keyed by the pressure switch up here, reading the differential pressure. And there it goes, the timer just completed its cycle. All stainless steel sanitary construction for food grade service, which it was in previously. The filter is intentionally mounted that way on a little tilt. You can see right in here. Factory actually seem to have mounted it that way. We have lots of processing and packaging equipment in our stock, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.